Hey guys, today we're going to be clearing the headlights on my Subaru WRX. I've really only seen people spray paint theirs black, and all the aftermarket lights are all smoked, and I really like the look of clear headlights, so today we're going to be trying to make our own. And I hope you guys can get something out of this video and hopefully make your own. This is a way cheaper alternative to buying actual headlights from, because they're like $700 or $800, and pretty much everything for this was about 200 bucks. So this is pretty much all you'll be needing. I got the Profile Performance LED kit, some chrome wrap from Nitro restyling. I'm pretty sure it's 3M, and then some Morimoto resealing glue for the headlights. And then we got a little something for later on in the video, but this is all you'll need. I'll leave it all in the description for you guys. So we're gonna go head over to the shop and go get the headlights out. All right, so now we got the headlights out of the car. So now what's next is I'm gonna undo all the screws and then also the bulbs. Alright, so now that we got this off, it was pretty difficult, but we got it done. I'm going to undo these screws and pop this off to get to this reflector so we can wrap it. Okay, so we got the reflectors wrapped. Here's what they're looking like. They came out pretty nice. So the next step is going to be popping these out and putting the LEDs in. It has actually been a few days since that last video, but I got them put in. It was actually way more difficult than I was thinking. These would not sit in there correctly, so it was kind of too fat. It seemed like they just didn't fit the car they were going on. But it seems like a little fat right here and right here also, so it wouldn't let this sit down all the way. And I've seen other WRX owners having the same problem, so I had to go and glue those clips in. Kind of all of them, because they just weren't sticking all the way through. This one also has a gap right here where you can see the clips, which I guess I'm fine with. It's just pretty annoying that you'd have to do that. And then also this leaves a pretty big hole, so I filled it up with hot glue and it sealed it up pretty nice, but they're looking pretty good. I got them in there pretty equal. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean all the fingerprints off these and probably clean these up a little better. So I could do the next step, which is setting them in there. Alright, so I got them cleaned up and put in place. So next step is putting in the resealing glue. So we got all the resealing glue put back in now. Next step is I'm gonna heat it up so I can push the lens back in. Alright, so I actually did the last headlight off camera just so I could try it before doing it. And what helped me a lot, what made it a little bit easier, was to set it on the lens and then just kind of spin it in circles and heat the glue, because it doesn't go down all the way the first time, so you kind of have to heat the glue and work it in there. So now that we got it all sealed up and the clips are all in, you'll see that the glue kind of pokes out all of these, so you can use a little like pick tool or just something similar to that to kind of dig them out and then put all the screws back in, and we'll get to the next step. So now that we got the headlights put back together, here's what they're looking like. I think they came out super good. I'm going to show you guys what I mentioned at the start of the video that we're going to be installing also today. I got some LED sequential fog lights to go with the LEDs in the headlights. I think it's going to make the bumper all go together super well and look really nice. So now I'm going to show you guys what the old ones look like. Here's what the old ones are looking like. They're just the stock fog lights. So I think these LED ones are going to look super nice. I don't think I'll be showing much of the wiring whenever I do put them on, because I don't think I can explain it that well, but I will leave the videos that I use to kind of understand how to do it in the description down below, so y'all can also do this for yourself. I got one installed just so I could show you guys a little comparison. As you can see, it makes the bumper look a lot newer, gives it more of like a newer style. I think it looks super good. I'm really excited to see it on the car. Alright guys, the clear lights are done and we got the WRX all put back together. I did take out the high beams just to make the lights look nice, and they look so good. In total, it was pretty like a pretty annoying job to do. It is pretty time consuming, and like sometimes parts won't fit right. But all you'll need to know is really just to glue that this little piece down for the LED right in here. And then also the fog lights actually won't stay popped in. Like no matter what I could do, they wouldn't stay in. So that's another problem. I will probably have to do something about that, maybe glue them. But I'll get to that another time. But it does look super good, so I'm gonna get some cool shots of the car. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I got something big coming for the next video, so y'all stay tuned. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.